This short video describes how to install EndNote20 on a Windows 10 operating system using the EndNote20 installation file provided by Bates College. If you've not already downloaded the EndNote20 installer, please refer to the video from this Bates EndNote series for instructions. Also, EndNote is designed to work with Microsoft Word. Before installing EndNote, it is important to have Microsoft Word installed on your computer. It is also important that the Microsoft Word app is closed while running the EndNote installer, because EndNote installs a plugin for Microsoft Word that allows the two programs to work together. If you don't already have Microsoft Office installed, check with the IT Help Desk to learn about installing it for free using the Office 365 for Education program and your Bates email address. So, with Microsoft Word installed but closed, open the EndNote20 installer program. Then, click the OK button on the Bates College pop-up window. Follow the prompts for a typical installation, which include accepting the license agreement and choosing a destination directory. Depending on the type and configuration of your computer, installation could take several minutes. When the installation is complete, open a blank document in Microsoft Word to confirm the EndNote Cite While You Write plugin has been successfully installed. You'll know this to be the case if you see a new EndNote20 tab in the main Microsoft Word menu ribbon. Selecting the EndNote tab and then the Go to EndNote option will open your newly installed EndNote application. Before you can start using EndNote to manage your citation information, you will need to create a new EndNote library. We strongly recommend using the default values for both library name and location on your hard drive. Congratulations! You've installed EndNote.